Piss off, mate.
How's your night's sleep, James?
Mate, absolutely blinding.
Was it?
Absolutely better, mate.
He's going to take it back today. It got soaking wet. She's not happy with that. Get cooking. Right, breakfast is all done. Veggie sausages, bit of bacon, scrambled eggs, spinach, beans. Going for it. James is tucking in. Bit of toast. So that's us done in Bodmin. I always think of the beast of Bodmin when I hear Bodmin, but that's where we stayed last night. And off the Padstow now, so go and get some sunshine. Thank you for the stay, it's beautiful. £13 for the night, not bad. Shower, washroom, toilet, all of that. Hey!
First one, mate.
First wave caught camera.
100.
Yeah, you can see the sea in the distance. It's looking good. The roads are so narrow around there. It's another V-dubber. He's checking his van out. He's going surfing. It's nice. You go, look at this. So you've got what? Sink there, and then you've got
there.
Yeah.
Grill pan.
burner.
Toaster.
Is that a toaster?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Oh, nice. Is that obviously electric?
No, gas.
Oh, is it gas?
Yeah,
oh,
gas,
wow.
mate, yeah.
Oh, that's good. Do you use it a lot, that?
Yeah, sounding off.
Nice.
And the fridge as well.
The fridge. I love the red as well. It's like one of my favourite colours. So I've done mine loads in red. That is nice.
The only thing I found with the
You
fridge.
got anything in the fridge? You haven't used it. Some guy just showed me his van, but obviously I only started recording like halfway through. But yeah, basically got it from Camper King. It's quite nice. Had his family of I think 5 in there. Pretty cool. Look at a mess in here. It's terrible. Nice down here, isn't it? Just arrived at the beach. Check this out. I mean, it's a bit wavy right now. I like it calm. I'm not a surfer, so James reckons he's going to surf, but can't see that happening.
Not with this thing, mate. I'll float. He's just going to lay there, mate.
Yeah, so we're going to take a little wander, see what's happening, and maybe go for a splash.
Wait, that's down there.
Nice bit of slate, look. Keep the exercise up. We are got to burn that breakfast off because we had quite a lot of sausages. They were vegetarian sausages, but I had bacon. I don't normally eat bacon or pork. It's not really for me, but this time I had some bacon, a load of beans, toast. So I'm going to try and shift some calories, get rid of it. But check this out. Nice little beach, isn't it? It's like a little cove. You make that as well. Treyarnon beach. Time for a splash. It's getting proper busy down here now as well. Loads of people. Look at it. I'm going to go and give the GoPro a good wash. James is ready. He used to be an Olympic swimmer. Didn't you have a gold medal? You did, like, was it? You should do what, 500 metre swimming in 60 seconds? 59. 59. 2 metres. Weavers. Have they got weavers down there? Water's a little bit cold, but I'm used to that because obviously I live by the beach, and being in the UK, obviously you've got to expect the cold. Is there any weavers yet? Oh, yeah. Lovely. This is amazing. Start all that shit in here. Don't put sun cream on your bald head and face. Go straight in the water.
He used to want sun cream on his head.
Half of it.
Charming.
Can't see a thing now. That sand on the toes. So chill here now for a bit. Perfect. Nice and hot. So all done at Treyarnon Beach. But Treyarnon Bay. So I keep forgetting the name of it. But what we're going to do, we've had a nice couple of hours here. Been for a swim. Had a little bite to eat on the beach. A few raspberries and all that. Bit of, you know, good healthy food. And now we're going to go to Porth Coffin Bay. Go and have a few pints of the local cider, or maybe just one. Hopefully there's a nice space I can leave the van. Maybe stay there tonight, who knows. But go and check it out. It's in the car park, just found looks like an XRAC wagon. It's a nice van though, still. It's nice to see the roofs being used properly. So if anyone's thinking of going to Treyarnon Beach, give it a go. It's got plenty of sand, plenty of water, plenty of surfing, plenty of parking. Parking was easy and it was cheap. It was £4 for the day. So we're going to go to Port Coffin, go and check a pub out, have a local cider, and then go for another swim. So we just found this lovely little pub. Come down, got myself a nice pint of Rattler. James has gone a proper traditional San Miguel. No change there. Back on his blur trying to get signal. Don't get signal around here, I love it. Don't get interrupted by phones. Right, let's give this another go. I'm not really like a cider connoisseur, but that tastes really nice. How's the San Miguel? Good? Yeah, nice. Just had a thought actually, this is the first pint I've had out of a tap from a pub since like all this lockdown and stuff occurred. Pubs have obviously been open for a little while now, but I just chose not to have a drink in them. First one, to be honest, it's pretty good. Tastes absolutely lovely and it's refreshing. So you've got quite a good view from this pub. Oh, nearly fell over. Car park down there, looks like they've done a bit of renovation works down the bottom bit, but then obviously you've got the beach. Might go and check that out, and then in the real far distance on that hill where my finger is, you're never going to see it on the camera, I can see a T5 overlooking. I wouldn't mind checking that out and maybe doing a bit of cooking down there. Right, we've had one cider in there, lovely pub, chilled out in the sun. I'm going to go to Tesco now, go and get some food. As always, stock up on the water and go and find another campsite or a bit of wild camping. Let's see. So we might have a broken down T5 here. Give him a hand. You alright, mate? What's happened?
Lost my engine back box for breath. No, I come back to the list.
Oh, do you need help with anything? Or you...
That's got the engine back box.
Oh, shame. Alright, mate, all the best. Cheers. I found there. Just told James to open that gate. I don't even know if we're meant to be going down this road. Come on, where's Farm? I don't think it is this way, but he's opened it anyway. He's going to carry on going. Thinks he owns the place. He looks like he does now he's opened that gate. It's a bit muddy down here. I don't think I can turn around. It's like really, really narrow. So we'll just carry on and see where we end up. put the oil in that. Oh yeah? Yeah?
You find them tyres noisy on that van?
No, not at all.
Not at all, no?
No. Not for, because I had commercial like steels and tyres before, and they were pretty noisy.
Yeah.
It does like a slight whirl, like a high, but it's not like.
Not annoying.
No, not to what you'd probably.
I had a Touareg and I put them on it
Yeah.
a few years back, and I thought it was really noisy, and I really wanted something like that to put on my van. I put Toyo, like they're called open country, like a intermediate sort of thing, but they just look fucking really nice, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Talk of the town, wherever you go.
Everyone always compliments on them.
Yeah, they are really nice. It's just the wheels are really nice as well, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. To be honest, a lot of people do ask me about them, and they always say about the road noise and stuff like that. But then again, I suppose it's like with anything, it's a compromise, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's it, isn't it?
Because obviously, if I was going to buy it for like fuel economy or comfort, I probably would have gone for something a bit more.
Yeah, no, that's right.
Yeah, but but in all honesty, the way they are, I think they're brilliant. Like they don't really. Like, do you think they're let James coming down here?
No, I don't. I mean, you drive it all the time, don't you? It's the first long drive I've been with you, so
I don't
really notice it. But
yeah, I put them on, but you don't have a V-dub, do you? No, is
No,
that just
no,
it?
I've got a Citroen.
Yeah. What size wheels are they on there now?
16s.
Yeah, because these are only 17s.
Yeah.
But it's funny because the tyres are so big.
The tyres are massive, aren't they?
Yeah, that makes the van look really.
Yeah, I can't put. See, that's got 225, like 75s, 16s on it. You can't go any bigger.
Oh really?
No, because they're just so tight in the especially on the rear with the mud flaps and that. It's only got a tiny mud flap, but it's just you just couldn't go any bigger at all.
No, that's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah. What are they? 245, aren't they?
These are
245, 65.
yeah, 245, 65, 17s. Yeah, thank you.
Really nice.
Set up that. Get them chairs popped out. Right, time to make a bit of food. I'm going to cook a chicken curry. Got some Balti sauce, just a basic one. This one, it's going to be nothing special. Basic ingredients. Got some garlic as well down here. A little bit of chicken. Quite a lot of chicken. I'd normally try and get like more of a organic, as opposed to the cheap stuff from Asda. But hey ho. And then basic ingredients: salt and pepper, garlic granules as well. I just love garlic. Basmati rice, and we've got some plain naans as well. Throw the garlic in there. Do a little bit of I like them in little lumps. So I'm just going to prep these plain naans. We're going to turn them into garlic naans because Asda didn't sell garlic ones. We're going to put a bit of olive spread on them, and then just put a bit of garlic granules on top. Garlic granules. Just spread them over there like that. Chuck these on the cooker. Turn these now. Oh, look at them. Coming out lovely. Look at that. Got enough chicken to last a week here.
that do for me perfect, bruv.
Nice bit of burnt up chicken that can't beat it. Do you want a bit more?
That's it. I'm not like that, yeah. Sweet.
Well, that's the finished product. It's absolutely boiling now. I'm going to sit down and taste it. James, what do you think of it, mate? Any good?
Yeah, banging, mate.
Banging. Burnt your mouth yet? Crack on. Right, I'm going to do another test run on this naan bread. That is so crunchy, it's perfect. If you're going to cook it, it's got to be like that. 10 out of 10. Right, we're clearing up now. It's got a bit misty, it's got cold. Finished cooking, clearing up. Move on to the next place.
How was your curry?
All good, mate. How was yours?
Yeah, sweet.
Bloated now, can't move. Gonna have to go and wash down a few tequilas tonight. What we're doing here, we're gonna sneak in to this campsite and go and have a shower, use all the facilities.
Free facility day, isn't it?
Yeah, all inclusive this one.
Facilities, banjo.
Just gonna go in here, just try our luck with something. See where we can park up. Look at that beast there. It's called a Bambi. Well, we've got to peg up now. We've turned up to our campsite and there's no washroom facilities. It says you've got to use your own toilet and your own shower. So, me being me, I'm all prepared. Look, the only thing I ain't got is any chocks, so the van's sitting a bit on the piss.
You're camping.
But you're camping, apparently. Cheers, geez.
Cheers, mate.
Nice one. Might as well use the plug socket. Alright, go on then, give that a go. See where we go. Disclaimer, if you get an electric shock, not my fault. Try and zip it up, James.
No, that's zip up now. Earlier, it wouldn't the other time, it's hanging out here, wasn't it? The first time we done it. Had to just put it flat, basically.
I don't think it's a one-man tent.
It's a little...
One boy tent.
One boy tent, yeah.
Well, I've got him in, I think he's up Reading or somewhere.
Is it Elite or something?
Yeah, or Northants, yeah, Northants.
Tyres and everything?
Yeah, Northants wheels and tyres I got them from. Yeah. Did you like them? Yeah. I'm getting so many people asking about them, literally. Today I had another guy come up who was like, he wanted some for his motorhome.
Oh, that's good, I'm not being weird.
You right there, mate? So what we're going to do now, we're all set up. We found a campsite, quite a good one. I think we took a pitch which was way too big for the van. I don't think they wanted us to have this one, but because they were going home, the people that work here thought, do you know what, I'm going to have it. So I'm all set up. James has got his tent out again. We've got the camping chairs out. The only thing is the facilities ain't working tonight. They said you have to use your own shower and toilet, so we've got all that set up over there. And now what we're going to do, we're going to chill, have a few beers. Got the MacBook set up, so we're going to watch a bit of boxing, live boxing on Sky Sports. And then I think that's it, we're going to wrap that up for today. Good day though. You enjoyed it, didn't you, James?
Yeah, mate,
Always a pleasure. Just going to relax, watch a bit of boxing, and then we'll put another upload on the next day. I think tomorrow what we're going to do is go and check out a few of the local like towns and villages or whatever, go for some food, and then yeah, go from there really. One thing I was going to say, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of Newquay or Cornwall. See you later. I think we took someone's space. They're coming back in there, James.